Thanks for joining us in this edition of Renovation Time. Again, back at this beautifully renovated kitchen. And I should sort of give you an idea on what happened in this too. This is like a complete main level reno. So not just the kitchen did we do. We did the family room, we did the dining room, we did the front room, we did the formal living room, I guess you'd call it. Basically all the trim, all the flooring in here, trim on all the doors. So really this whole main level was completely gutted and redone. We did their bathrooms a couple years back, and then this was the big rental that everybody kind of dreads having to do and pay for. But just the difference in this home is incredible. It is it's so comfortable to walk in here. It feels great. You know how homes have a good feel to it. This home has an amazing feel to it. It's very comfortable. Lots of room for entertaining, and it still has the odd wall. That's something we talk about too, where a lot of people want to open things up. What we find now is we're kind of closing things back in, so it's a little bit more comfortable, and the noise barrier doesn't transfer through the entire house. This reno here, one thing too a lot of people talk about is stippled ceilings, where you got like either stipple or somebody swirled a ceiling. This was a stippled ceiling. So we had to scrape this entire ceiling, and we basically gave it 3 coats of compound, sanded it all smooth, and as you can see, it looks absolutely incredible. And there is a cost factor to doing that, but we do it a lot now, and we suggest doing it because stipple obviously holds a lot of dust and can get dirty very quick. And just a flat tape ceiling, if you take your time and you're really good at it, which I'm not, but the guys that do this are very good at it, and they make it look perfect. So definitely a flat tape ceiling is the way to go. And if you're taking it a walnut type of thing, it's a good idea. Functionality of a kitchen. When you're designing a kitchen and trying to figure out what's going to work for you, it's really important to take the time to make sure you design it properly. And again, I've said it a couple times, but Emily did a great job in actually locating everything. So if you're prepping in here, we have a spice pullout in here. It works really, really well. It's in a good location. Then we have our sink here. So dishwasher typically to the right of the sink, which is a nice idea. Microwave's hidden away, and that's one thing I really like, is it's a microwave instead of being over the range, and that's something we looked at originally, but it's nicely tucked in here. You still get a little storage below it. We have storage in here, so if you're prepping with the sink, you have your saran wraps and that type of thing in here. And then down through here, you just have a small bank of drawers, which is quite nice. And then you obviously have for your utilities and from your dishwasher, your utensils and stuff like that. So next week, we're gonna come back and just talk about the flooring in the pantry.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Andon Kitchen and Bath Center. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.